Psalm 23, Common English Bible, a Psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. 2. He lets me rest in grassy meadows, He leads me to restful waters. 3. He keeps me alive. He guides me in proper paths for the sake of His good name. 4. Even when I walk through the darkest valley, I fear no danger because you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they protect me. 6. You set a table for me right in front of my enemies. You bathe my head in oil. My cup is so full it spills over. 6. Yes, goodness and faithful love will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will live in the Lord's house as long as I live.